Last couple of years. I went about 22 years. And temperatures will be on the rise here. We'll see maybe something near 100. Stand by. Wow. Thank you.
Wow.
I'm all
Bless you,
right.
my friend.
That was like a whole production
I'm
there.
all right. Had a couple of those in the last couple of years. I went about 22 years on television without ever sneezing. And
well, you made up for it right there.
I'm sorry?
You made up for it with that one.
Yeah, I'm making up for a lot of ground, for sure. Anyway, what I'm getting to is the 10-day forecast improves come the weekend. We'll top out on Friday at 102, I'm sorry to say. But look at those 70s for next week.
I know. So pleasant at the end of that 10-day. Just
the big honking sneeze.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean the actual
sneeze, too.
10-day, yeah.
Yeah. Kind of looked like you were dancing
one. I know
almost.
there's
It's a great
definitely
move.
a move.
Apologies. It could be a slow motion option. We'll see. We'll run the tape back.
It's like a cha-cha, or is that more like a sneeze
Little
samba?
salsa, yeah.
Yeah, salsa.
It certainly had a Spanish flair to it.
Thanks, Cory.
Coming up after the break, Jimmy Kimmel revealing a